The electronic document management system training is very important, and it is very relevant to the work we do at the National Record Service. The National Record Service, as we all know, is managing the records of the Gambia from creation to ultimate disposition. So the training is very important because it helps us, to do our work properly. Because for this one, electronic document records management is a new thing, right? It's a new way of managing records. And the National Record Service now is piloting a new project, which is the EDRMS, Electronic Records. That one is the Electronic Records Management System. It is very similar to the EDMS. And I know that most of my colleagues here will learn a lot from this training. And then if they go back to their offices, they will implement what they have learned here, because the systems are very similar. Yeah, I have seen that one, and I'm working on this system. In the near future, it is going to be rolled out to other ministries and departments. Yes, and we hope that this type of training will continue so that more of my colleagues will come and benefit from this training. Definitely. SMD associates also, they are doing a good job. Right now I'm recommending my fellow civil servants and all other institutions to patronize SMD and sending their staff for training here, because the training environment here is very conducive. The trainers are very professional. Everything is done professionally. Food is good, and we've even get this, bitter cola added to our diet, and that's a great thing. I strongly recommend SMD associates, yes, for training, definitely.